Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and happy St. Patrick's Day. I got this new doll. She is a Chubby Blythe. I had a heck of a time getting one. I won't even tell that story again. I did tell it on the day that she came. I am so pleased with this doll. Other than her head is just a little loose, we're going to address that. I've been looking for clothes for her, and I did buy a pattern, but if you know me, I don't go the easy route. I have to try stuff myself first. So I took this 14-inch pattern that I had just bought. I got this at Hobby Lobby. While I was sorting out these patterns, I had bought a big pile. I noticed this one, and I was looking at it for another reason, and I thought, you know what? That Chubby Blythe is 13 inches tall, and I'll bet she's as big around as this doll. So what I did is I took this, well, you can't really see it well here, but it's a one shoulder top. And I redid it, and that didn't work so well, so I went at it again, and I'm pleased. Is that my final outfit from that pattern? Probably not. But I have made her a few things now, and I like her so much. Yeah, I did. But we're going about it Darren's way this time. When I was looking for a Chubby Blythe, he kept saying, you know, a lot of people buy the Mimi Bobeck body from Drew Carey. And I'm like, no, I want the Blythe. Well, I'm pretty sure that's what she is. I don't know for a fact, and it could be, in all honesty, what they did on AliExpress. They had these old bodies sitting around the China factories, tried a head on it and said, you know what? Let's call it a Chubby Blythe. Who knows? Here we go. What did I get? A lot of fluff. I think they could have just wrapped this up and...
Well, they gave you, it's new in a box, so they wanted you to get a nice box.
Yeah, they wanted me to get a nice box.
Little did they know you didn't care about the doll.
Yeah. Which was very nice. I do appreciate that very much. We've got some Disney bags here. Someone would be happy to get those. So here it is. The Mimi Bobeck doll. What they say to do is remove her head and add a Blythe. And look at that. I'm going to have some patterns for a vest, possibly a shirt, and maybe some pants. Let's pull her out. My dog is back here looking at the items I just sat on the floor. I'm going to let her do it. But if you hear it, that's what it is. So inside the box with her is a bag that matches her vest. And a mirror. You know, Mimi was always looking in the mirror on the Drew Carey show. There is some sort of a pamphlet here. I don't care. I'm saving the box. I'm going to put her head in it. But otherwise, we're going to take her apart. Inside the box, her clothing was tied down. And I think it's because they wanted it to lay nice in the box. What a novel idea. All right, let's see if her clothes come off. Yep, she's got some pretty nice snaps on there. It's the clear plastic. Now, J Dolls UK told me that these are hard to dress with the arms, and they are. You can't just move the arm back and then put a shirt on them. These are harder plastic, and... you know, that shirt, look at that. How cute would that be with a pair of jeans? We have that upcoming, Tammy and I have that upcoming 1960s hippie. That was something they wore, was a lot of peasant tops. Look at these pants. Woo-hoo. She's a big girl. All right, body to body. Close, but I think it's different.
There's a coloring difference, but they look identical to me.
From here, this looks shorter, but I guess it's the head then?
Yep, that's the head you're looking at.
All right, it's funny she has green shoes because I had Darren make my doll green shoes. Oh, the heck, what the? Ew.
Yeah, it's been in there a long time. So
No,
it's,
they put tape down to keep the shoes on, which is a very good idea. Yeah, shoe fits. All right.
if the shoe fits.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Maybe because of the sticky stuff. All right, let's put that there. All right, let's try. Oh, it's stuck to me. Get off of me. All right. Let's try these pants on her.
It certainly is a newer looking plastic,
it's
but it's the same
It
shape.
seems different to me. I could go get a measuring tape. Let's see how these fit this one real quick. They could be stretched out. Yep, they do fit this. Well, look at that though. And then look at this one. Yeah, that's different. This is definitely.
Okay, they look the same to me. What do you folks say?
I think they look close enough. We'll know more when the head comes and we get that put on.
Okay, they are different and they're not. The plastic is different. The Mimi doll has kind of a bit of a rubbery feel to it, whereas the Blythe is hard plastic. I don't know what that means, and the copyright is in the same place. This one says made in China and something else I can't make out through the camera, and this just says made in China. But they are identical shape-wise. I can't imagine anybody would make a mold for a doll and be this close to another mold and not be on just a copy. So I think what they did here is just reused a mold
Recast.
and recast using the same mold, because they are the same, in my opinion.
Stay tuned on the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like. Please leave a comment of what you think about the bodies. And subscribe.